Model: 2020 Peugeot Boxer Relay DUCATO 335 Pro L2H2 Bhdi, ULEZ compliant. Fares OR repair. Body: grey, panel van. Mileage: 93,972. Engine: 2179 cc DW12 BLUEHDI 140. Transmission: 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: bottom end bearings are knocking. Engine will need repairing or replacing. Worth getting this beauty back to its former glory. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows, air con. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £10,295. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972.